In this video, I'll show you how to format text in Notion. I'm using a sample page called Format Text just as an example, so you can clearly see what happens. Click anywhere on the text you want to format. First, highlight the text by clicking and dragging your mouse over it. Once the text is highlighted, a small menu appears above the text. To make the text bold, click the B icon. To make the text italic, click the I icon. To underline the text, click the U icon. You can also change the text color. Click the A icon with the line under it. Choose a color from the list. The highlighted text changes instantly. You can remove formatting anytime. Highlight the text again. Click the same option to turn it off. That's how you format text in Notion.